So this is an important theorem which says if A is an event associated with S ample space, then P of S with respect to A is equal to P of A with respect to A, which is equal to 1. So how do we prove it? We know that P of S over A means P of S when A has already been done is nothing but equal to P of S intersection A over P of A. Now P of S intersection A, what should be the result to it? We know that A is an event with the sample space associated with S. That means A is what will come after intersection, and denominator is also P of A. So this will just be equal to what we see over here as 1. And again what we know is P of A over A if I have to compute. Now this is equal to P of A intersection A over P of A. Now A and A, what is there in common? Nothing but the same A. In the denominator also is A, which is equal to 1. So these both are coming out to be equal, hence we say that P of S with respect to A is equal to P of A with respect to A is equal to 1. So this is how we prove this.